Beard flyaways might just be more in your head than they are in your beard. Woo! That is a banger of a line. I'm going to have to reuse that again, you guys. Let's talk about the common problem that gets brought up to Deadman's, that gets brought up to myself, and that's just the overall topic of beard flyaways. Yes, it is that time. Deadman's Beard Co., Dan C. Bearded, content collaboration every Friday. Come on now, interact with the video if you guys appreciate this. Most notably, the thumbs up and the subscribe button. They're trying to grow this channel just simply to be able to help out as many people as possible. Deadman's theory with this content is not about selling products or promoting products or anything like that. You guys have followed the videos, right? The resume's there. They believe the better educated beard world we have, the better beard product companies will do. The more people know about their beard, the more they will enjoy it. The better beard they have, the more they will go out and continue to have beard products, to have beard community. I love that mission, and I appreciate being able to help you guys out with some content. What is a beard flyaway? A beard flyaway is just quite simply a beard hair that the owner believes is not in its place. If you have a beard going in a direction, maybe the hair goes out this way. Maybe it's going out to the side. Maybe it's going up and tickling your nose. That is a beard flyaway. Now, options to handle beard flyaways. Sure, you can trim them. There are some people that keep really short or even like a short medium, schmedium, dare we say, beard, and they trim it every other day. And they keep it very crispy, very fresh. You can do that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Personal preference, all subjective. To me, that's a bit much. I would not want that burden on my life. I would not want that burden on my mindset. I don't want to have a perfect beard, a crispy beard, but you can go that route. For me, beards are not perfect, and that's the beauty of it. I always say beards will teach you patience if you allow them. I came from having meticulous head hair. I still do have head hair, by the way, not bald. Now, I gotta make sure I put that out there. I just love hats. And I would have meticulous head hair with hairspray and hair gel, and it could go perfect. I do this little, like, it's not a comb over, but I'm combing over, so it's kind of a comb over, right? You know what I mean? That hard part type style. And I would get ready for work as a teacher, and my hair would be perfect. Not a hair out of place. And then I started growing a beard, and then I started growing a long beard, and I quickly realized it's not the same. Having this style of meticulous detail does not translate to the beard. If it does, it just appears unnatural. What, are we gonna get the head hair? Are we gonna get the beard as straight as head hair and get it like really stick straight? Are we gonna really lob on some beard balm and lock everything into place in an absurd way? I don't think anybody thinks that is a good look. So I don't think that we should be shying away from flyaways. This is like the video of quotes. Another quote that I love is a flyaway today is a part of a better beard tomorrow. Where that beard hair that's out of place is just taking a little vacation today. Tomorrow it's gonna listen and it's gonna make the beard stronger, denser, more full. Now imagine if you had problems every day and you started trimming those areas. And then the next day you did the same thing, and then the same thing. Eventually, in kind of a short amount of time, your beard's gonna suffer. It's not gonna be as thick. It's not gonna be as strong. And now what was a very literal small problem, a single hair, zoom out enough of removing those hairs, you now have a large problem that you can't fix without a lot of time and oftentimes a restart. So my advice is to embrace the flyaways. Understand beards are not perfect and no one expects them to be. And then above all, if you want to, dial in your styling. Use a boar's bristle brush. Use a heated comb. Find the right styling technique for you with heat, right? There's ways to make it work, but I don't think we should ever strive for perfection. I want to know your guys' thoughts down below on flyaways. Do you have tips or tricks? This is a community that Deadman's really values. Please get involved. And guys, I will see you next Friday with another video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for checking out Deadman's.